What's up and welcome back guys to my channel. I'm gonna share this video. It's a trick how to open the side seat belt. Basically there is one hole here, this one. You're gonna put the screwdriver and push it in, and you have another hole from the front side. So basically you click both of them together and you will disconnect the seat belt from the main unit here. I hope this information will help you guys. Like and subscribe if you guys like the video, and yeah, we'll catch up. Thank you.